Alright friends, so in this video we'll try to understand how to get started, how to create resources, and how billing system along with that works. So very first thing which you want to understand is when you go to console, you will see that there is a project that's pre-created for you, right? So if you're doing this for the first time, you will see that there would be something called your first project, my first project, that would get automatically created. I've deleted that so you can't see in my list. But in your case, if you started for the first time, you'll see that it's a default project that gets created. Now, project is the kind of a billing body. Whatever resource you create, it has to be in some or the other project, and you can't get a resource without a project in GCP. You can create new projects by clicking on new project over here, and each project you create will also have a project ID. Ideally, I always prefer having both project name and project ID is same. Like for example, if I create this as GCP videos, and I would also check if I can get the same project ID, right? So it's the it kind of makes things easier for me. Many a times in large organizations, you would see larger project names than project IDs, identifying why the project was created, which team is going to use it, which location it's site office it's connected with. So basically it's metadata information anybody looking at the project should be able to understand. So many a times people practice it in that way. Now at this point of time we are creating this in a personal Google account. How enterprise works, we'll talk about that little later when we discuss IAM service. For now, I'll just click on create project to get started with project creation. So by default, one you will get it. You can create as and when you need more. Now each project also gets attached to a billing account. Right? So if you look at your billing, you will see that you need to have a billing account, and that account will actually have your credit card or debit card information. Right? So in this particular account right now, I don't have any billing setup done. I'll be using another account to show you further for rest of the services. But generally, you would be if you're started with a free tier, you would already have a free tier billing account set up, which comes with built-in $300, and you will be able to consume that to try things out. Thank you so much for watching the video.